ChatGPT has caused an online snowstorm. After going public, OpenAI's ChatGPT reached 1 million users in just 5 days, and Spotify did the same in 5 months. Netflix reached 1 million subscribers in 3.5 years. Instagram took about 2 months to reach 1 million downloads. On November 30th, 2022, ChatGPT became available for public testing. It is created by the San Francisco-based company OpenAI. Given ChatGPT's progress, it is anticipated that it would reach 1 billion users by the end of the fourth quarter of 2023. Reuters quoted unnamed sources in December 2022 that stated OpenAI projected $200 million in sales in 2023 and $1 billion in revenue in 2024. Hello, and welcome to Mad Over Business, where we hope to transform your financial future by sharing real-life business stories. In this video, we will take a closer look at ChatGPT and try to understand how it works and how it generates revenue. We will also dive deep into the latest AI battle, a battle of the biggest tech giants, Microsoft and Google. So let's go. Is there a reason for ChatGPT's meteoric rise in popularity? As one of the first AI technologies of its sort to be made available to the public in a way the public could understand, ChatGPT immediately went viral. ChatGPT, unlike other search engines like Google, can be conversational, providing human-like responses and predictions. This distinguishes ChatGPT from other search engines like Google because it's generative and produces outputs in ways that regular humans can understand, and these responses are more accurate and customized. So what exactly is ChatGPT? The OpenAI chatbot ChatGPT, Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, was introduced in November 2022. It is based on the OpenAI GPT-3 family of big language models and has been fine-tuned using both supervised and reinforcement learning. This model is among the most sophisticated that you can find for commercial use with 175 billion parameters. Okay, so what exactly can it do? Short answer, everything. It has the ability to comprehend human language, recognize the context of discussions, and produce responses. It has the ability to summarize and interpret text as well. GPT-3 is designed to respond to inquiries in natural language, but it can also translate between languages and cohesively produce improvised text. The capabilities of ChatGPT can also be useful to you whether you are a coder or just learning. If you need help figuring out how to create the code, ask the AI chatbot for assistance. Additionally, if you tell it whatever programming language to use, it will write the code for you. But all of this requires a lot of research and resources. So who exactly financially backs the company and its R&D? According to their website, Microsoft, Reid Hoffman's Charitable Foundation, and Khosla Ventures are a few of its investors. 2019 saw OpenAI change from a non-profit organization to one that is capped for profit, with a profit cap of 100 times any contribution. The capped profit model, in accordance with OpenAI, enables OpenAI LP to ethically entice investment from venture funds and also offer employees shares in the company. The 2019 change was done to compete with the likes of Google Brain, DeepMind, or Facebook for numerous eminent researchers employed by them, which can provide stock options that a non-profit like OpenAI cannot. In what way does ChatGPT function? On top of GPT 3.5, ChatGPT, a generative pre-trained transformer, was improvised by utilizing supervised learning and reinforcement learning. Both strategies used human trainers to enhance the model's performance. For supervised learning, the trainers acted as both the user and the AI assistant in dialogues that were given to the model. Human trainers ranked the model's responses from an earlier conversation as the first step in the reinforcement stage. These rankings were used to produce reward models, on which the model was further improved by several proximal policy optimization iterations, or PPO. Additionally, OpenAI keeps collecting information from ChatGPT users that could be utilized to develop and improve ChatGPT. Users can upvote or downvote the responses they receive from ChatGPT, After doing so, they can add more comments in a text field. Microsoft's Azure supercomputing infrastructure was used to train the models. Remember, they were one of the initial investors as well. How does ChatGPT generate income? OpenAI announced ChatGPT Plus at a $20 monthly plan on February 1st, 2023. Users will have preferential access to the AI chatbot even during busy times with this plan membership. According to OpenAI, the strategy will grant customers priority access to new enhancements and functionality, as well as quicker response times. OpenAI stated that they would be contacting those on the waiting list who reside in the United States with invitations to apply for service. Additionally, it intends to soon open up the plan's availability to more countries and regions. Even Elon Musk wanted to know how much it typically costs. The average cost per chat using ChatGPT will probably be 1 or 2 cents, according to CEO Sam Altman. The business is attempting to calculate the exact cost and measures to reduce the cost. Elon Musk tweeted about the use of the Twitter database for ChatGPT training, but later stopped and claimed that the business was initially open source and non-profit. However, that has changed. He continued by saying that moving forward, he would need to learn more about the governance structure and revenue plans. But wait, Musk isn't alone. The AI war has just begun with Microsoft coming onto the scene and challenging the search giant's Google. Guess who enabled all of this? OpenAI, more specifically, ChatGPT. Let's take a closer look. OpenAI was in negotiations in January 2023 for funding that will double the company's valuation from 2021 to $29 billion. Microsoft announced a new multi-year $10 billion reportedly investment in OpenAI on January 23, 2023. Microsoft stated on February 7, 2023, that it is integrating ChatGPT-based AI technology into its Bing, Edge, Microsoft 365, and other products. Microsoft stated the following in a blog post about the agreement. With an investment of several years and billions of dollars, we are announcing the third phase of our long-term relationship with OpenAI in order to accelerate the development of AI and ensure that its advantages are widely available to all people. It expands our current partnership in AI supercomputing and research and gives each of us the freedom to independently market the ensuing cutting-edge AI solutions. Additionally, in order to assist clients in developing and deploying their AI applications on a worldwide scale, we will keep expanding Azure's AI infrastructure. New updates enabled by AI Microsoft will integrate OpenAI's models into both our consumer and business products, as well as launch new digital projects based on OpenAI's technologies. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, praised the past 3 years of their collaboration. This is what he stated. Microsoft shares our principles, so we're thrilled to carry on with our independent research and efforts to develop cutting-edge AI that is beneficial to all. Microsoft stated their dedication to transforming Azure into a global AI supercomputer. Every tool under the OpenAI brand uses Microsoft Azure as its exclusive cloud provider. In this next phase of their partnership, developers and organizations across industries will have access to the best AI infrastructure, models, and toolchain. How does this collaboration impact ChatGPT? OpenAI will continue to use Microsoft Azure as its exclusive cloud provider, which will run the workloads for research, products, and API services. It's important to note that Microsoft has previously made earlier investments in OpenAI. The San Francisco-based business received a $1 billion first investment back in 2019. Industry sources claim that since then, Microsoft has quietly put an additional $2 billion into the business. Why is Microsoft investing such a large amount of money in this AI startup? AI will alter how Microsoft competes with rival digital behemoths like Google, and Microsoft wants to make its search engine better. The AI market is becoming more competitive. Tech giants like Alphabet and Amazon have already made significant investments in the field of AI-related research, totaling billions of dollars. Recently, Alphabet announced that they were cutting off 12,000 workers globally and refocusing on the business of AI. Google's management even issued a code red warning due to worries that chatbots would take the place of search engines. It's unlikely that Alphabet will ever want to replace the search engine with a chatbot, given that more than 80% of their revenue came from digital ads last year. As we have all seen, Google has completely dominated the market for search engines to the point where the name of the company is now synonymous with internet search. Although Microsoft has its own search engine, Bing, it is by no means as well known as Google. What can we expect from Microsoft's new AI avatar? According to reports, Microsoft intends to introduce a Bing feature that will integrate Chat GPT technology into its search engines and deliver better user results. This brand new experience combines the Edge web browser and the new Bing search engine, which are all made to work well together. The new Bing, according to Nadella, would offer direct responses to queries and inspire users to be more imaginative. Applying the AI model to the fundamental search algorithm has also improved the search index, which Nadella refers to as the biggest increase in relevance ever. It utilizes a new user interface with a search field that is extended and can accommodate up to 1,000 characters. Users can communicate with the new Bing in natural language thanks to a chatbot that functions similarly to ChatGPT. With the option to follow up on prior inquiries and add more context to their search, Bing's new Chat GPT-like function will go one step further by enabling users to converse with the search engine. Anyone may test out the new Bing by going to bing.com and running some sample searches right now while it's still in limited preview on the desktop. So how did Google respond to all this? In an apparent effort to take on the popular Chat GPT, Google released Bard, a new chatbot tool, on February 6th. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, wrote in a blog post, this is what he had to say. Bard aims to bring together the depth of human knowledge with the strength, wit, and inventiveness of our massive language models. It uses data from the internet to deliver original, excellent answers. To ensure that Bard's responses to reach a high standard for quality, safety, and groundedness in a real-world knowledge, we'll mix external feedback with our own internal testing. We are eager to use this testing period to continue learning and enhancing Bard's performance. One of the most interesting possibilities is how AI might enhance human understanding of information and more effectively transform it into valuable knowledge, making it simpler for people to find what they're looking for. So what's next? A demo of a GPT-powered search is currently available on Bing. You can test it out with a small number of test queries, although it has only been partially implemented. Google has not yet carried out anything comparable. However, Google has been researching artificial intelligence since at least 2015 and has incorporated into services like YouTube and Google Docs. Google is unquestionably a pioneer in AI. The general public's impression of technology may differ from its actual application. Microsoft appears to be winning these early AI war battles without a shadow of a doubt. Google does have certain benefits though. Some of the greatest AI researchers in the world work for it, and it has a sizable AI research division called Google Brain. What do you guys think? What does the future of AI look like? Who will win the AI war? Comment your thoughts below. We would love to get your insights. For more such business stories, subscribe to our channel and we will bring you the most interesting stories from around the globe. Whether it's overcoming obstacles, making a difference, or achieving your financial goals, these stories will entertain you and motivate you to achieve your own business and financial aspirations.